professional, honey. I feel like I'm a boss. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now, this is my first Amazon haul, but it should be my first Amazon haul. I told myself, well, Angel, I need to buy some self-care items. I have been working my tail off. Let me know if you have been working more at home than you have when you've been in your office or wherever you work at. Let me know. Comment below for that. And without further ado, let's go. The first thing I want to talk about, if you haven't gotten this yet, I advise you to get it, okay? Now, I love to have my self-care day every Sunday. So every Sunday I'll do like the facial, wine and dine myself, all that, all the above. Every time when I do my facials or just facial exfoliate, everything, I always use this steamer, this facial steamer. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. All you have to do is just open it up and put some water in it, and should be about like 10 minutes. It will just, I highly recommend this. I've had this for a while and it is still up and running. Things on Amazon, you have to, it's a hit and miss, but this one right here is really, really good. I've had it for a while and it's really good quality, and the steam come out perfect. So this is a good one. This is random. I got this from the Glam Twins, and I was like, let me get this, because I always buy this at the dollar store, and literally every 2 months it's always either breaking or it's just, I don't know, it's just weird. So I bought this bad boy. This is a tongue scraper. Yes, I know, a tongue scraper. Ugh. Why shouldn't you? You should be clean your tongue for number one. See, it has a little thing that you put it in, but guys, it is like metal. It's a metal tongue scraper, so you don't have to worry about, it turning colors, or this is like a real deal, very hard, handy dandy. I love it. It's sturdy, it's awesome. All you have to do is sanitize it, oil it, clean it, and you're good to go. So this right here, my friend. Next thing I have are these little headbands for like if you're using makeup or if you're washing your face or anything like that and you don't want to mess up your hair. Y'all, this is the real deal. And it comes in a 3-pack. So it comes with black, white, and pink. I like the little bow things that they have, like usually at Raw, little bow things, but how my head works, I can't never, and especially if I don't want to mess up my hair or just mess up my makeup or just anything like that, something literally is gonna mess up. So you have to put the little bow over your head and then put it back. I like you put a headband. Nah, I don't like stuff like that. I like to adjust if I need to. My head too big, I can adjust. If my head too small, I can adjust. So I love this. See, I don't want to mess up my hair, but I love this item, and 3-pack, so it's awesome. Next thing I have on my list is these cotton silk wipes, y'all. This is a game changer. It's very, very soft. It's not where, how some cotton pads or cotton wipes, you'll see the little small things that's falling off of it. No, these are good quality wipes. Next thing I have is the electric nail drill kit. Now, I know a lot of people, when this whole pandemic took place, everybody was like in shambles. I really don't get my nails done like that. I usually paint my nails sometimes, or if I get my toes done, I get it done like every once in a blue moon, but I usually like doing my toes and my nails just to keep it up. I have been, doing a little bit of poly gel, a lot more than what I used to do. So this nail drill come in handy. It is so cute. I love this nail drill. Look at this. They have one in pink and they have it in this color, but I like this color. And you'll get this little nail bed, this nail drill thing, and then it comes with a USB cord. I think it's USB. And then it comes with little nail files. I took some of them out, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nail file things. Professional, honey. I feel like I'm a boss. And it comes with more little nail drill thingamajigs. I don't know what they're called. And instructions. I'm a little professional now, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I like that, so I advise you get this. Next thing that I have, like a self-care item that I have, nail drill. Wait, why did I say nail drill? Nail clippers. So I've been doing polygel lately. I don't have them on now, but I have been doing polygel, and the polygel is a little thick. So if I do my regular clippers, it don't really do any good. With the regular acrylic nail clippers, oh man, every single time, even, nice, precise. All you gotta do is file it down a little bit, make it a little even and everything. I just love it. I got the red kind. They have black, pink, all kind of colors, but this right here was a lifesaver. It was a game changer, so I love it. So those are my top self-care items that I got at Amazon. Love those items. I have had them for a while. Some of them I had them for a while. Some of them I just bought them in quarantine since I couldn't go anywhere else. And if you don't give yourself a self-care day, like a self-care spa, bubble bath, all that, girl, you'll be in shambles. I hope you like this video. I will definitely be doing more hauls. I love to shop, but I love to shop and save as well. So if you like to shop and save, comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.